Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. I appreciate you joining me on this video. Today we are making custard bread rolls. We will start by making custard or pastry cream so that it cools down as we prepare the rolls. In a pan, place milk, then add eggs that are beaten, add sugar and cornstarch and mix. The stove should be switched off until every ingredient is blended. Add vanilla extract and a pinch of salt and mix until all is blended well. Then put on the stove on medium to low heat. Stir until the custard thickens. Remove the pot once it starts to bubble. Then add butter for a smooth and creamy texture. Once the custard is done, strain it whilst it's still hot using a bowl that is non-heat sensitive. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Collect the custard from under the sieve, then close the bowl with a cling wrap, touching the custard so it doesn't form skin. Set it aside to cool. Let's make the dough. In a bowl, add warm milk, yeast and sugar. Stir. Then add eggs, vanilla extract, or you can use an essence. Then add softened butter. You may chop the butter before adding it into the bowl. Gradually sift in flour. Mix. Then you knead the dough until it all comes together. I would like to appreciate you, my family, my returning subscriber. Thank you so much for your support. Here I sifted in the remaining flour that wasn't added with salt and continued kneading until this consistency. Then closed with a cling wrap and a tea towel and proof it for 1 hour to 30 minutes. After that, sprinkle flour on the surface, a clean tabletop. Took out the dough from the bowl and put it on the surface. Then roll the dough with a little bit of flour sprinkled. A little story about me. I used to hate touching the dough, and when I had to start a channel, I didn't know where to begin, and this is where I am today. I hope this encourages you. A warm welcome to my new viewers. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new uploads. This would be the thickness you're looking for. It's best to cut the dough into almost a rectangular form. The straight lines will help close the roll without spilling the custard. Spread the cool custard on the dough and do not spread or put too much because when we are rolling it's going to spill. Flatten and smoothen the custard. You may use even the back of the spoon so it is spread evenly, and I would advise not to spread up till the edges. Roll close the dough. At this point, you may use a spoon to scrape the custard that is pushed to the edge. I must say, using floss or cotton thread to cut the dough made clean and neat cuts. Place the cut dough on a lined baking tray. Then continue cutting the dough until it is all finished. Cover the dough with a cling wrap and a tea towel, then rest it for 30 minutes. 15 minutes before 30 minutes lapses, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Egg wash the dough with yolks or milk, or both combined. Make sure you cover all around the roll. Sprinkle the rolls with almond flakes, that's optional. Bake them for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden. Let's go for a smear campaign. Smear them or brush them with butter as soon as they are out of the oven. The rolls were pillowy, soft, fluffy, and delicious too. Please press the like button. Add your comment below. And please tell me, would you try this tea time treat? I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. I hope to see you soon on my next upload. Bye bye.